86. When the time of Jalal's death drew near, he cautioned his disciples to have no fear or anxiety on that account. For, said he, as the spirit of Mansur appeared 150 years after his death to the Sheikh Fariduddin Attar and became the Sheikh's spiritual guide and teacher, so too do you always be with me, whatever may happen. Remember me, so that I may show myself to you in whatever form that may be, that I may always belong to you and ever be shedding in your breasts the light of heavenly inspiration. I will simply remind you now that our dear Lord Muhammad, the Apostle of God, said to his disciples, my life is a blessing unto you, and my death will be a blessing unto you. In my life I have guided you, after my death I will send blessings on you. Jalal's friends shed tears all, and broke out into sighs and lamentations, but bowed their heads in reverence. It is said that he gave directions to get ready his grave clothes, and at that his wife, Kira Khatun, began to wail, tearing her clothes and exclaiming, O thou light of the world, life of the human race, unto whom wilt thou commit us? Whither wilt thou go? He answered her, whither will I go? Verily, I shall not quit your circle. He then asked, will there be another like unto thee, our Lord? Will another become manifest? He replied, if there be, he will be I. After a while he added, while in the body I have two attachments, one to you, the other to the flesh. When, by the grace of the unique spirit, I become disembodied, when the world of unbodied spirits, unity and singleness shall appear, my attachment to the flesh will become attachment to you, and I shall then have but one soul attachment. And, well, I talk about the whole energy, the memory, the legacy, and, you know, that's what we can deal with after somebody's dead.